Welcome to the Candidate Applications page. This is where you go to see all the applications that your job posts have received. Now, your job post will be in the bottom left here, and you can sort by when you posted the job. So say you want to see the jobs that you've posted in the last 7 days, or yesterday, you'd select that. In my case, I've only posted 2 jobs. I have one that is closed, which is a test job, and that received 0 applications, and another one which is a sales executive job, and I have 55 applications and 38 of which are unread. Now, I actually received 65 applications, so I'll click all to see that. And I deleted 10, so I can see the deleted here. And I can undelete by clicking here on the X. Now, I can go back to my inbox and see the ones that I have not deleted. As you can see, the job is open because it's in bold and this box is ticked. I can close the job once I've found the candidate that I like by unticking the box. Here is a short description of the job in case I forget what it was about. Now, there's a number of ways you can filter through these 55 CVs to get straight to the ones that are most relevant. So say I want to see someone who has branch manager in their job title. So we'll put branch manager. And we'll put that in inverted commas so it finds these 2 words in that order in the CV text. Now I have 2. Okay, let's clear these. Now let's say I want to sort by people that got correct answers only. So of all the questions that I posted, I only want to see people that got all the answers correct. As you can see here, you tick on the tick and they got them all correct. Now if I want to see the ones that got some incorrects, I untick that box and I click on the X and I can see which answers they got wrong. I can also sort by CVs unread, read and favourites. So if I select read, that will show me the ones that I've read. And you can see it's the text is no longer bolded and the background is greyed out. I can sort by favourites. And as you can see here, these have a large star, which means that I've marked them as favourite. I can unmark them as favourite by just clicking on the star again. So let's sort back by red. I can also sort by city, so let's say I only want candidates that live in Johannesburg, I can select that and this will change and I've got 25. You can also sort by age, gender, ethnicity. So let's say I want someone who is a black male, I'll select that. 7, okay. I can also sort by age, so if I want someone who is between, say, 21 and 65, you can just, there you go. I can clear these fields here by selecting that. And I can also sort by education and experience. So let's say I want someone with at least 3 years experience. I'll select these boxes, see what I get. And I've got 16 results. And say I just want someone who has a bachelor's, I can select bachelor's and see what I get. So you can sort by masters and all of these. You can also sort by best career level. So let's say I want a manager, I'll select manager there. And of course you can play around and you can select multiple boxes. So all the filters are great to use. And I'll clear these fields. Now, if I want to mark someone as favourite, as I said, I can click this star here. If I want to send them a letter to say that I like them, I would click this green envelope and I can edit the text and I'll click send email. I can send them a reject letter by clicking the red envelope and edit this and send it. If I want to delete this applicant, I would click the X. If I want to mark this as read, I'll click red and it will change. If I want to then remark it as unread, I just click it again. Now, let's say I've searched for sales manager in the CV text. I'll type this here. And I want to preview the CV. And I'll see in yellow, it will say sales manager in that order. There you go. I can download the CV. And there it is. And I can write notes on this applicant and update notes. Once I've done that, this will change to a darker shade of brown, like here. And as you can see here, it shows me when the CV was last previewed and downloaded. So that's the date. And it also shows me when the CV was last updated. So yeah, that's about all you need to know with the candidate applications.